Have you ever thought about turning your passion for cooking into a profitable business? Imagine the joy of waking up each day, knowing that your love for the culinary arts isn't just a hobby, but a thriving enterprise. The aroma of simmering sauces, the sizzle of a pan, the delicate art of plating, these are the things that make your heart race. Now imagine earning from these very things that you are passionate about. In recent years, there has been a significant rise in the popularity of cooking classes. People around the globe are eager to learn new recipes, master culinary techniques, and explore diverse cuisines. This trend presents a golden opportunity for home cooks like yourself to monetize your skills. But you might be asking, how can I transform this passion into a lucrative business? Well, the answer lies in 5 potential avenues. So how can you turn your cooking skills into a profitable venture? Let's dive into 5 effective ways. First on the list is writing your own cookbook or selling recipes. Imagine transforming your unique recipes into a beautiful cookbook, or, if you prefer, sell them individually online. The process is simple. Jot down your recipes, test them, take some mouth-watering photos, and you're set. You can choose to self-publish, allowing you complete creative control, or partner with a publisher for a wider reach. Selling recipes online is another lucrative avenue. This method allows you to share your culinary expertise and earn money at the same time. Secondly, consider running cooking classes or workshops. This route allows you to share your culinary skills and knowledge directly with others who are eager to learn. Whether you're a master of Italian cuisine or the queen of vegan baking, there's a world of food enthusiasts out there waiting to learn from you. Starting a cooking class or workshop can be as straightforward as setting up in your own kitchen, renting a space, or even going digital with online classes. You can set your own pace, choose your own topics, and even offer personalized sessions. Not to mention, it's a wonderful way to build a recurring income stream. The beauty of running cooking classes is that it's not just about the money. You're also creating a community. Picture this: a group of people coming together, bonding over their shared love for cooking, and learning from each other. With cooking classes, you not only share your love for cooking, but you also build a community of food lovers. Thirdly, think about organizing culinary tours or events. This venture offers a chance to explore the gastronomic landscape beyond the kitchen. Imagine leading a group of food lovers through a bustling local food market, letting them taste the flavors of your community. Or perhaps hosting a food tasting event that showcases your cooking skills alongside local produce. Now, setting up these events might seem daunting at first, but the key is to start small. Collaborate with local businesses such as farms, wineries, or bakeries. These partnerships can provide you with fresh ingredients while promoting their products. It's a win-win situation. The immersive experience that culinary tours and events provide sets them apart. Participants don't just learn about food, they live it. They get to touch, taste, and smell the ingredients, and witness the magic of transformation from raw items to a flavorful dish. Culinary tours and events offer a unique way to share your passion for food while promoting local businesses. Fourthly, you could start a food blog or vlog. Imagine sharing your culinary creations and kitchen wisdom with foodies around the globe. It's as simple as setting up a blog or creating a YouTube channel. By consistently posting engaging content, you attract viewers and subscribers. This audience can generate advertising revenue and open doors to lucrative partnerships. And the best part? Your kitchen becomes a global stage. Blogging and vlogging allow you to share your culinary journey with the world. Lastly, you could offer catering services. The allure of starting a catering business lies in its potential to provide a steady stream of income while simultaneously allowing you to express your passion for food. Imagine this: your culinary creations becoming part of someone's special day, be it a wedding, a birthday, or a corporate event. There's something immensely satisfying about bringing joy to people through food. Starting a catering business may seem daunting at first, but remember, every great venture begins with a single step. Begin by identifying your niche. Are you a wizard of Mediterranean cuisine, or do you excel at creating delectable vegan dishes? Once you've defined your culinary style, you can start marketing your services to your target audience. Remember, as a caterer, you're not just selling food, you're selling an experience. So, make sure your service is as memorable as your food. Catering services allow you to showcase your culinary skills on a larger scale. So, there you have it. 5 ways to turn your cooking passion into a profitable business. Let's do a quick recap. You can author enticing cookbooks and recipes, conduct immersive cooking classes and workshops, organize delicious culinary tours and events, share your culinary journey through food blogging and vlogging, or cater to the foodie crowd with your own catering services. Now, it's time to make your culinary dreams a reality. Remember, the secret ingredient is always passion. Good luck.